with 1 minute remove a video background. You can actually remove a video background now with just 1 minute without wasting time. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to remove a video background, and the good part is that it's free. Okay, so stay tuned as we go into the tutorial now. So if you are new here and miracle updates, in this channel I teach simple video editing tricks and also the mistake you should avoid to keep your video look professional. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial now. So we are going to use ucut to achieve this. This is ucut over here, so click on it, then let it load. Okay, so after it load, click on the plus icon over here, then click on new project to import the background that you want to use. By now you should have gotten a background, okay, a different background from the video you want to use. You can download it online through Chrome browser or any browser you are using at all. Just type a background, you will see many types of background. Okay, so after getting your background, then import it first. Import your background first. So I'll be using this background over here, so I'll click on the arrow to add it. So this is the background I want to use. Okay, I'll just increase the duration by tapping on the video on the clip. This is a picture. Okay, I'll tap on the clip, then duration I'll increase it to 30 seconds. So now I'm going to import the video that I want to remove the background to this. Okay, so how to do that? We'll go to PIP. Okay, go to PIP, that is picture in picture. Click on it to import the video. Okay, so this is the video I want to use. I'll just tap on it, then it will bring us here. Okay, the video has been added, so I'll slide to this field to fill the video to the screen. Okay, so I'll drag it to bring out the face of the person. Okay, after doing this is how you remove your video background. Let me make the video small. Okay, so this is the video here. I've made it small. So to remove the background, slide to the corresponding tool and look for the place that you see cut out. So once you see this cut out, make sure your internet connection is connected, then tap on the cut out. Then are you seeing that the cutout has been completed? The background has been removed. Okay, so if you now play the video, you see that is with another background, with this background over here. So you can now resize your video to fit the the space. Okay, or you decrease it depending on how you want to place it. Okay, so this is a simple way to remove a background of a video. If there's anything you don't understand in this video, you can write it at the comment section, so I'll answer your questions. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.